At NAGASE, we believe mobility is more than transportation. It's about driving us toward a sustainable future. That's why we introduce new technologies, deliver innovative components, and develop advanced materials, all to help protect our planet, make everyday life safer, and enrich the way we live. Together with partners worldwide and powered by NAGASE's trusted global network, we're building resilient supply chains that make progress possible. The future of mobility is here. NAGASE Mobility.